Okay, so there's been a couple of requests for how to customize your templates in Sublime Text. So specifically, I mean, for example, when you type HTML and then hit the tab key, it will create a custom HTML document. And so I'm going to walk you through how to do that on your own. So let's get rid of this. And let's go up to Tools and New Snippet. And snippets are how you create or are used by Sublime Text to generate the template forms. And you'll put your content here of what you want that template to be. So let's go ahead and we will add that old doc type HTML format back. And okay. And then if you look down here, it says that optional, set a tab trigger to define how to trigger the snippet. And they give you an example here of the format that you'll use. So we will say tab trigger. And in my case, I'm going to use my HTML. Then we'll go ahead and save that. And this is going to save to a location in your app data folder. So this is actually a hidden directory. So you would go to C users, and this would be your name, in my case Nick, / app data roaming Sublime Text 3 packages user, and then you'll go ahead and type the name that you want to use. So we'll use my HTML dot sublime dash snippet. Okay, and Sublime dash snippet tells the Sublime Text that it actually is a form that you'll use to do some templating of some sort. We'll save that. Now if let's close out of this. We go back to our file now. We can type my HTML, hit the tab key, and there you go. It's generated that same form. Now let's say you're down further in the class though, and you want to create a CSS form. Okay, so you want to add links to that in. So we would, let me just grab a link here. So let's say that we wanted to have all our style sheets always stored in a CSS folder. Okay, then we might add that to our template. So let me show you how to do that. Let's go ahead and we'll open that snippet file back up, and we'll let you show you how to edit it. So we'll come down to open file, and then we will navigate down through the users, and my case Nick, and we'll come down into app data, and we'll come to roaming Sublime Text 3 packages user, and we'll double click on the my HTML file, and let's go ahead and we're going to add that CSS reference in here. And now we'll save it. And now when we go back to our file, we can type my HTML, hit the tab key, and there you go. That link's been added in. So you'll be able to change the template to fit whatever you're doing in the class down the road.